Now there's many ways that we can focus on the standing posture in our practice. Ideally, not necessary though, but ideally our feet are together. As our feet are together, we want to make sure that the inside upper part of the legs is relaxed. We want to make sure that the pelvis feels a gentle roundedness. If with the feet together we feel too much tension in our legs, you are welcome to step out to either shoulder width or anything in between. So find where your posture will be most relaxed, either feet together or to shoulder width apart, anything in between. Of course, like I said, you are welcome to also sit. We tuck in the lower abdomen, feeling the tailbone tip pointing to the earth. And of course, already Boho is lifting upward. So we feel from the center an expansion to all directions to create the physical form. In another class, I'll go deeper into the scale of relaxation. But for now, as we find ourselves in the standing posture, as I shared last week, feeling a space underneath the armpits, arms resting by the sides. We humble the chest, relax the waist, feeling the legs straight but not locked. As I continue with the 8 verses, head touching the sky, feet stepping on earth. As the body relaxes, the mind expands. Be respectful and quiet. The mind is clear. Appearance humble. No distracting thoughts. The mind expands into infinite space. The mind shines deeply and inwardly into the body. Entire body is harmonized with Qi. Harmonized with Qi. Setting the intention for your practice today. Connecting to the complete result. What will your life look like when your intention is fully realized? This intention is the blueprint instructions, allowing yourself to trust in your ability to manifest your intention. Now we continue with the neck healthcare exercises. We first draw awareness to our little fingers. Turn the palms to face the front. Hold Qi up. Slowly, evenly, maintaining your body posture. Low back is open and relaxed. Raising arms up, up to above the head. Turn the palms to face the top of the head, resting for 1 cycle breath. Lower the hands down over Boho, drawing the hands down in front of the face, neck, chest. When hands are underneath the rib cage, elbows to the back, turn the palms to face the sky by the sides of the waist. With little fingers, We rotate the wrists until the hands rest on the waist. Whole body relaxed. Again, as a reminder, some of us may want to have the hands resting on the navel. From here, with hands either on the navel or resting on the waist, we begin with our first neck healthcare exercise. Tucking chin. Already feeling the weight of the head gently stretching the neck vertebrae. Center of the chin draws back, stretching the neck vertebrae backwards and upwards, one joint at a time. Chin up, eyes to the ceiling. Chin forward. Chin down, keeping the chin centered. Chin back, stretching the neck vertebrae, one joint at a time. Chin up, forward, chin down. As we tuck in chin, drawing the chin back, stretching the neck vertebrae. Remember lower dantian, the space behind the navel. Chin up, forward, down, chin back, up, forward, down. One last time, follow your rhythm. Based on relaxation. Shoulders relaxed. Returning to the beginning position. Now we reverse. Tucking the chin, bringing the head down, chin forward. Chin up, eyes to the ceiling. Tuck in chin, raise back way up. Chin down, stretching the neck vertebrae, one joint at a time. Chin forward. Up. Feel the stretch as we tuck chin in, raise back way. Feeling the stretch from the bottom of the skull, one vertebrae at a time down. As chin down, chin forward, up, raise back way, tuck in chin, chin down, forward, up, tuck in chin, raise back way, chin down, forward. Continue. Follow your rhythm. And taking our time, we meet with the head in the starting position. Our next neck healthcare exercise, keeping chin tucked in, focusing on the Tongtian points. We first focus on the left Tongtian point, bringing the head to the left. At the same time, release the right arm close to the body. Feeling the fingers reaching to the earth. Boho, reaching to the horizon, to the left. Stretch. Now we raise the head up, one joint at a time. And bring the hand and head back to the starting position. We take a moment to pause. Now, Tongtian point to the right. At the same time, release the left arm. Fingers reaching deep into the earth. Stretch. Head and hand raise up. Returning to center. Pause. Now to the left. Stretch. Keeping body centered. We raise up. Pause. Now to the right. As the left hand comes down, stretch. Raise up. Mindfully returning to center and pause. Do this on your own for one more rotation. How does it feel to mindfully move through space?